Hello friends, welcome back. This is my website and I will show you today how you can add a menu in your website. This is my general website. So today I'm going to add one of the menu here, which is like freebies. I thought I will add this one so that I can give freebies to all my customers and everyone. So that's why I thought of adding it in my website. So first of all, what you can do is just go to categories and then add one new categories. I want to put one icon also because I like all my menus to be seen in some icons. So like I said, I have added the category which is freebie, and then now you have to show it on the header menu. Then what you have to do is you go to the appearance and select menu and then find the freebies. As you can see, I already have one freebies. I just add it and then I drag and drop because I wanted it between digital products and contact. Save the menu and you can see that. If you don't find it, what you have to do, scroll down and move into the categories and find out the freebies sections which you created yourself. Add it to the menu. It will come on the right side. You drag and drop where you want to place it. Just like I tell you, I wanted between digital products and contact menu. So I added there and I just delete the previous freebies. You have to check it on your website if it is there or not. Like you can see, it's not there. If I now refresh it, as you can see, the menu is successfully added. So this is how you do it, and you can add more of the menus you want in your website. Just process is same. Like I said, there is nothing add on it right now. I will later add a lot of things. Thank you for watching it. Watch for more.